Hey loves, Denise here and happy Monday. I first of all just wanted to thank everyone for the really positive and supportive response that I got to my past couple of videos. The one where I share my perfect imperfections as well as my how I lost 40 pounds, my wellness journey. I received such a positive response for both of those videos and I just really wanted to thank you guys. You know, it's not easy to sit in front of a camera and really be vulnerable and share those parts of my life with you guys, and just the response that I got was so heartwarming, and I just really wanted to thank you guys and just want you guys to know that, you know, you are my inspiration, and just my ability to be able to share those parts of me with you guys and receive a positive response back is just so amazing, and I'm so thankful and grateful for that. And with that said, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what is in my gym bag. So as I said in my last video, I really prioritize my workouts right now, and majority of the time when I do go work out, it is at the end of my workday before I go home. I find that if I don't prioritize my workouts immediately after work, if I head home, a lot of the times I will get lazy and I won't want to work out anymore, and I'll end up just, you know, lounging around and not doing anything. So in order to stay productive and make sure I really get my workout in, I like to go immediately after work. And because of that, the gym bag that I'm about to show you guys is how I pack my gym bag for those workouts. Of course, if it's a workout on the weekend that I'm driving to, I will be wearing my workout clothes and my shoes all ready to go. So just keep that in mind, that the bag that I'm about to show you guys is how I prepare my gym bag for when I'm going to work out immediately after work. So as I showed you briefly, and here it is again, this is my gym bag. So my bag actually says, meet me at the bar, and you guys know I love puns, and bar is spelled B-A-R-R-E. So I got this gym bag from FabFitFun, and the ironic part of it is I wanted either one of the other two sayings. I wasn't really particularly excited about this one, but since my love for bar class has grown, I've actually really loved the saying that I have on my bag now, and especially when I do go to a bar 3 class, I get lots of compliments and questions about where I got my gym bag, and I'm actually like really excited that I ended up with this saying in the end. So I'm gonna start pulling things out of my gym bag in no particular order, and let's just get right into it. So since I go to studio classes immediately after work, I always pack my workout clothes in my bag. So first I have a sports bra. This is from Victoria's Secret Sport. I know it looks ginormous. I am a 36D and it is what it is. Then I bring any workout top. This one is from Shay Mitchell's line at Kohl's called Fit to Wander. So it has some nice mesh detail on the sleeves as well on the sides. And what I really like about her line is that there's these secret quotes on the inside. So this one says, "Things have a way of working out." So the inspiration behind Shay Mitchell's Fit to Wander line is these are pieces that you can wear to work out, but also to lounge around, as well as go do other leisure activities after working out, such as brunch. So they're meant to, you know, you can work out in them, but also wear them around town. Next, I have a pair of leggings. So these ones are from the Old Navy Active line. So they're just regular black fitted leggings, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's this sort of like spider web netting pattern on them. I really like these. So with my workout clothes out of the way, I also of course pack some shoes. So these are my go-to workout shoes. These are my Brooks GTS. I believe these are the 17s. But I absolutely love these. I love the color. These are my workout shoes. This is also my regular like gym shoes whenever I'm being active. These are the ones that I pack and bring along with me. Then specifically for bar class, I always pack a pair of socks with the little grippies on the bottom. So especially for bar class or a class like Pilates on a transformer, you have to make sure to have these little grippy things on your socks so that you're able to hold the poses. You're normally able to work out on bare feet as well, but my feet sort of get sweaty and they start slipping around. So these socks are great just to absorb sweat, as well as the grippiness on the bottom really helps me hold my poses or, you know, not slip whatever it is that I'm doing. Next, I have a water bottle. So I love my water bottle. It has this chromatic finish to it. It looks mainly purple, but there's also a green tinge to it depending on where the light hits it. Next, I have some makeup removing wipes. So this is the Target Up and Up brand. These ones are comparable to the Neutrogena fragrance-free makeup removing cleansing towelettes. So I like to keep makeup wipes in my bag since I am coming straight from work and, you know, I am gonna sweat. I do take off my makeup before heading into my workout so that, you know, doesn't get too messy. I can like fully remove it and just really able to like focus and go all out during my workout. Now I have a few things for after my workout, and these I keep in my gym bag just in case that I have to do something right after my workout. Ideally, I like to be able to go home immediately after my workout so I can shower, but sometimes that isn't the case. Sometimes I have a happy hour to get to or I have dinner plans, but you know, I don't want to show up like super smelly and like all run down. So I have some things to take care of that. Of course, this does not replace taking a shower. I do take a shower as soon as possible, but these are just kind of ways for me to refresh myself and just like, you know, be ready and presentable depending on whatever my plans are after my workout. So first I have some dry shampoo. So this is by Rock Your Hair. This is the Spray It Clean Dry Shampoo. And you know, I just spray this to refresh my hair after my workout. And then after dry shampoo, I also have a dry conditioner. Most people don't know about dry conditioner, but I love the Eva NYC Forget Me Not Dry Conditioner. So this helps with conditioning your hair as well as, you know, detangling, and just brings back some nice softness and shine to your hair. And lastly, I have some Cottonelle Fresh Care cleansing wipes. So, you know, I kind of just, you know, wipe myself down to get rid of all the sweat and any like smell that I can get rid of. Of course, this does not replace taking a shower, but lately most of the studios that I've been going to don't have showers there. So this is just my quick to-go solution until I'm able to get home and take a real shower. Lastly, I have some goodies in my IPSY bag right here. So this is the IPSY Glam Bag for January of 2018. If you guys are a subscriber, you will recognize it immediately. I loved the look of the bag this month. It is so sporty and it just immediately attracted me to, you know, the idea of wanting to keep it in my gym bag. For those of you guys who don't know, I do work for IPSY, but IPSY is not in any way associated with this particular video, and they're not sponsoring me in any way. This is just my personal bag that I use in my gym bag. If you want to learn more about IPSY or if you want to sign up, I will leave the information in the down box below for you guys. So let's just get into what we have in here. So first I have some Visine for contacts. So I do have contacts, and whether my contacts are feeling dry before or after my workout, I like to keep these on hand just to put in my eyes just in case. Next, I have some hand sanitizer. So this is branded by the company MapR. That is a company that my sister works at as a recruiter. She just gave this to me, and I just like having antibacterial hand sanitizer just for whenever I need it. Next, I have some Burt's Bees. This is the Revitalizing Lip Balm with blueberry and dark chocolate. I actually really love this version. It like feels really great on your lips, and it also smells and tastes delicious. Then I have a couple of hair ties just in case, you know, I need to tie up, braid my hair, whatever it may be. I have a disposable Bic razor just in case, you know, those days where you are wearing a tank and maybe you need to shave your armpits really quickly. I like to keep this on hand just in case. Next, I have some Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. So after using my makeup removing wipes, I also like to use some of this just to get off any additional makeup that might still be left on my skin. Next, I have some tawas. You guys might not know what tawas is, but this is what we use in the Philippines as deodorant. So I have this little mini mineral deodorant stick just in case after my workout I want to reapply it, and I love the size of this because it can easily fit into my little bag. And lastly in here, I just have some cotton rounds to use with my micellar water, as well as Q-tips to, you know, like touch up around my eyes for removing eyeliner, mascara, anything like that. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed me sharing with you what I carry around with me in my gym bag. Of course, things may vary depending on the type of studio class that I go to, whether it be Pilates, Bar 3, if I go to a SoulCycle class. Things will vary. Like, of course, I won't always have like the grippy socks. Maybe I'll just have a pair of regular socks. Just things like that. Or, you know, if I go to a workout on the weekend, as I said, I won't carry my clothes in my bag. I will just wear my clothes to class. So if there's anything that you guys carry in your gym bag that I don't do, please comment down below with it. I would love to know. Or if I inspired you to add something to your gym bag that you don't currently do, but I do, I would love to know that as well. But hopefully this video was somewhat informative or interesting to you guys. I would love to know either way. And I guess that's it. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I will see you guys next Monday. Bye.